Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna talk about minimalist style. So minimalist style is all about simple, not too much like decoration or like neutral tone color. So like the dress I'm wearing from Bottega Veneta, I really wanna show you some style from my closet. It's gonna be just basic style. So yeah, I want to give you a tip about the minimalist style. So as I mentioned earlier, you need to wear neutral color, like gray color, like this cardigan, or like beige color, or kind of like neutral light beigeish color, or like white color, or black. So basically neutral tone color like black, white, beige, gray. If you mix match this neutral color together, even though it's not exactly same color, yeah, it's gonna be really simple and minimalism style. By the way, I got these clothes from YesStyle. I chose what I like to show for minimalism style. If you have some basic neutral tone dress, it's gonna be easy to show minimalism style. So this is like long dress. You can layer with like cardigan or jacket or long cardigan or vest. So this one is like grayish, like beige, but like light color. So it's easy to mix match with other colors, black or white color. I gonna match with like a black cardigan or beige or gray tone cardigan. Both are from YesStyle. Or you can also match with beige color cardigan as well. Then it's gonna be more like warm tone. If you want more simple style for the color, you can go for black and white. Pants and shirt set from YesStyle. Very like simple and kind of chic style, minimalism style. There were more color as well. So I got this white color because you can match with this white shirt with black slacks, pants, or jean. It's gonna be also simple, like daily style. So there is like belt for this shirt, short inside. So it's gonna be kind of very simple and chic style. And also, if it's a little bit cold, you can match with gray cardigan. So these are all from YesStyle. Also from my wardrobe. Easiest color match gonna be like black and white. So I'm gonna show you black and white. So if you check my previous video, my shopping vlog, Sandro and Maje, you can see I purchased these Maje skirt and Maje cardigan. And this one, you can just match like simple style like this, and it's gonna be easy to match. Inside, you can wear white sleeveless top or black sleeveless top, so it's gonna be so easy to show simple style. I know like for the minimalism style, if you don't go for like black or white neutral color, this kind of frill might be too much for minimalism style, but I think black and white or all black and all white will be easy to show simple style. I would match like this and wear sleeveless black top. Also, if you want to explore more color, you can go a little bit bold for the color, even though it's a minimalism style. Like for example, you can wear very simple white sleeveless top. This is like knit top from Sandro. And this one is Hermes skirt. So you can just match simple style like this. It's gonna be still look simple and chic. Even though orange color might be too bold for minimalism style, you can pick any color like a pop color but toned down color. Toned down blue like navy color, or toned down orange like this Hermes skirt. So don't be afraid to use more color, but no more than 2 color match. It's gonna be still chic and simple style. If you wanna show more minimalist style, you can give a small touch with like makeup as a neutral tone, or like nail polish color neutral tone. So for example, I didn't put too much makeup. I wanted to use something like toned down color or a neutral tone color for the makeup and the nail polish. So I use Hermes nail polish color was Rose Tamize. Yeah, Rose Tamize. So I like to use this color whenever I wanna wear a little bit like elegant look or minimalist look. I always use this nail polish. I like the color. And also makeup, you can see like I use pretty much similar lip color. You can match lip color, nail color, then it's gonna be more simple, not too much going on, so people gonna see it's like more chic and simple style. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed my styling tip. Let's start more shot.